What's up, guys? We're here at the MagnaFlow Tech Center in Oceanside, California. I have Randy with me from KC and his insane off-road Corolla. Go ahead, tell me a little bit about the build, man.
Thanks, dude. So this build it started as a daily driver. Then I got tagged on Instagram with Steve-O Design, and it basically was an AE86, and I was like, huh, it looks very similar to mine. And I was like, a year and a half later, I get this. Now, it did take some work, and you know, we'll take a look at it as far as like the hood and like how I did it, but it does have a 4 AGE engine on it, and we married it to an all-track 4 ASV transaxle and transfer case. But yeah, I mean, essentially, this is a Corolla inspired by Initial D, if you will, but it also rallies and does, you know, Safari B-Class if you want to go that route.
Should we pop the hood on this thing and take a look? All right. All right, what are we working with under here, man?
So basically, we rebuilt this 4 AGE 1.6 liter engine, honed it, and basically tuned it a little bit. But I mean, I haven't tuned it, like in regards to the dyno, I haven't ran it yet.
Okay.
But we're anticipating 120 horsepower roughly. And then what I did was the magic on the bottom is a 4 AFE housing that marries with the transfer case and the transaxle that makes it all-wheel drive. Yeah, it's from a 1989 all-track wagon Corolla. That was a donor vehicle. Yeah.
So this thing is like totally Frankenstein. You got a million different parts, a million different things going on here. But you kept it kind of, you know, you went with Toyota reliability, 120 horsepower. I know you guys are going to be doing like long runs, long races with this thing, so you want reliability, good power.
Yeah. I mean, isn't that what Toyota stands for?
Exactly. Yeah,
right?
exactly. 100%.
So I mean, and essentially, I literally just built it off of like Toyota technology. Not just that, the actual suspension right here is from a 99 RAV4. We just inverted the monotubes and work with Bilstein as well as Eibach to do dual rated springs all the way around and coilovers.
Gosh.
So this is a 99 RAV4, guys. So it's still a Toyota. I didn't go.
That's true, yeah. You kept it in the family.
Exactly.
Freaking epic, dude. The PRP seats.
Yeah, we got the PRP seats in here.
Rugged radios.
Custom.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then rugged radios with all the comms. Right. And with rugged radios, like when we worked with them, I basically said we wanted GMRS, but then we also wanted race. Like when we're doing like either NORA, and I heard Mint call us out, so we might consider that. So we'll see.
All right.
So you know, we have to switch it over. But essentially, yeah, I got comms dialed in as well as Stinger Off-Road. So Stinger Off-Road also provided the batteries as well as some of the actual essential cameras throughout, like where things are going to break, like the drive shaft. I have a camera there as well as the front and rear, and the CV axle. So anything that possibly will break, I actually have cameras there to look at it.
Wow.
So it's like some James Bond stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you got the GTS on the back. A little, kind of tell people what's going on, just a little bit up there.
Yeah. So I mean, essentially, yes, it's a Celica / Corolla kind of platform, 4 AGE, right?
Yep.
That particular platform, that era, this is a GTS twin cam 1.6, like straight lit, and we just kind of rebuilt it. So yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I love the roof rack. You got the tire on the back. All the fab work is really, really cool. Everything from the front to the back, the whole cage, everything looks really complete. And then of course, the reason you're here, we got the full MagnaFlow catback exhaust, front to back, 2¼ inch tubing. We got the California Cat in there, and of course the Universal X-Mod muffler with the turn down. All the clearance you could ever need. I'm stoked for you to hear it. You want to fire it up?
Yeah, let's fire it up.
Dude, start this thing. Let's hear it.
Sweet. Wow, I could hear myself think. I love it. That just sounds proper. Wow, I love it. Now that's a proper JDM kind of hone. Freaking fantastic. Wow, amazing.
All right.
Dude, it sounds so much better. I mean, the first thing that, when I went up to Rugged Radios to get their install, they're like, a couple of engineer guys, the Steves, right? They're like, yeah, dude, so why is it so loud? I was like, hey man, I got to do this in, you know, easy steps. I'll eventually meet up with MagnaFlow, and sure enough, it sounds beautiful. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course, man. Thanks for trusting us to do the exhaust on it. Good luck with your races coming up.
Appreciate it.
Definitely send us some of that footage, and guys, definitely be on the lookout for this thing. It's going to be tearing it up at the Nora coming up.
Nora. And we'll see about Mint. They did tag us.
We'll see about the Mint.
We're going to work out logistics, but yeah.
Yeah, or if you want to see it in any other races, let us know in the comments below where you think he should take this thing and go race. So
let me know.
All right, thanks again, man.
Bud. Appreciate it.
Peace.
Sick. Thanks, buddy.
If I have this set for limiters on the inside of this, will it